Hey, what's going on everyone, this is Pix.Tones back with another Lightroom mobile tutorial video. This time I will show you how to get copper brown effect for you the photos. So without much talking, let's get started. First go to light section, decrease the exposure up to 0.2, then increase contrast by around 40 points, and then increase highlights by 30 points, then decrease shadows by around 20 points. Also you can decrease whites by 10 points, and finally increase blacks by 70 points. Then go to curve mode, adjust the curve like this. So you can play with this curve to get whatever effect you want. So for this copper brown effect I will use this curve as this, but you can play with this to get what you like. Then go to color section, increase temperature by 6 points. No need to change tint. Then go to vibrance and increase it to 25 points. Also increase saturation by 20 points. Then go to color grading. First in shadows, increase hue up to 236 points. And increase saturation up to 15 points. Then go to highlight color wheel, increase hue by 90 points and saturation by 10 points. Also you can decrease balance by 70 points. No need to change mid-tones. Close the color grading. Then go to the color mix. First in red color, decrease saturation by 30 points. In orange color, decrease hue by 8 points, decrease saturation by 35 points, increase luminance by 10 points. So in yellow color, you can decrease hue by 100 points and also decrease saturation by 100 points. Then go to green color, decrease hue by 100 points and decrease saturation by 100 points and also luminance by 25 points. Go to cyan, reduce the hue by 100 points and saturation by 100 points. Then go to blue, reduce the hue and saturation by 100 points. In pink, also decrease 100 points. Also in magenta, decrease hue and saturation by 100 points. Then go to effects panel. Now to increase texture or clarity, increase dehaze by 25 points. Decrease vignette by around 10 points. Also increase feather by increase feather up to 70. Then go to detail section, increase sharpness by 25 points. Then increase noise reduction by 25 points. Finally, increase color noise reduction by 30 points. That's all for this preset, guys. So you can see that now how it changed our images before and after section. So now we can save the preset. I'll give the name like copper brown. Then I will select preset group. Then I will click on tick mark to save it. So now we saved our preset, and then we can add this preset to another couple of images to check how it is come. So let's select this first image and apply, and we can see before and after. So next we will try this preset with another couple of images. So you can see that how it changes the images into more flatter tone, more brown tone. Let's see for another couple of images. So you can see that this preset really works with images with brown color. So when you use this preset, to make sure to add some brown color images. You can see that how it transforms the old images to new images, like with more emotional and more moody like feelings to our images. So guys, I think that's all for today's tutorial. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for the future videos. So until we meet with next tutorial, peace.